and welcome to my video. Today I want to share my little herb garden with you and show you how you can utilize any little bit of space to grow your plants. So first here I have some oregano and thyme in this pot, both of which I use a lot in cooking, and then I also make tinctures out of them as well. And then over here I have sage and basil. I love caprese salad with the basil, tomatoes, and mozzarella, so can't wait for that. And then over here I have some chamomile and lemon or bee balm, so I can't wait to see how these progress, as I have never planted them in a pot before. I've always planted them in the soil. More daylilies, their flowers are edible. Here I have a little bit of wood sorrel hiding under here. It is very good in salads. Got a lemony taste, but you want to be careful because it does contain oxalic acid. And then I have my climbing clematis, which will be blooming this summer, and more daylilies. And I also added in some annuals just to add some color to this spot to liven it up a little bit. And then hiding under here I've got a pot of lavender, which will be nice because I can bring that in the fall and just keep it in the pot. Also growing amongst the rocks, I have a lot of lady's thumb, which is very good for those who have stagnant blood or food allergies. So I tincture that as well. And then also in amongst the lady's thumb is catnip, a lot of catnip, because I had a plant here last year and I probably should have pulled it out before it flowered because it is growing rampant here. So here's just an example of what you can do in a small space to grow herbs and plants and culinary herbs. So hope this gives you some inspiration so that you can grow some plants and try them out as well. So good luck, and thanks for watching my video.